Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I want to come on here and make this quick video about the real estate site that I would suggest you guys take a look at. Um, as you know, if you're going through my page, you know that I've been in this industry for maybe 7, 8 years. I think it's going on 8 years now. And I've dealt with a lot of websites and landing pages and stuff like that. But just to get straight to the point, I wanted to do a quick review on Carrot. I think it's one of the best sites that I've come across and I've used and still use to this day for, I mean, pretty much anything. You got motivated sellers, cash buyers, rent to own tenants. I do some rent to own stuff and just pretty much everything, especially if you're an investor, and also if you're an agent as well. I know some agents that use it, but as an investor, this is where you absolutely need to be. Um, so y'all can check it out. I have a link um, in the below this video in the what is it called? The description. I couldn't think. I had a little brain fart. But anyway, they have a bunch of free resources here, and you can use these resources to give to your sellers. If y'all want, just drop a comment, and I can do a more in-depth um video of how to set up a funnel and all that type of stuff. But I just wanted to make this quick video about Carrot. I think it's one of the best sites to use as a real estate investor, and I think as an agent as well. So as y'all can see here, y'all can check out the webinar or anything that you want to dive more into. But go ahead and check it out, and y'all let me know how y'all like it. All right, I'm out.